The chief that will grow up to become a hen is known from the day the egg is hatched. The very local one is that it is the early sun that dries the cloth. Our governor, we thank you for this approach. You are now our early sun. You will definitely dry our cloth. You have assured us, and we believe you. We shall give you, the people of ANDONI, we shall give the government of Rivers State, you an unflinching and unalloyed support.
About 2 years ago, like I was saying, we had this meeting in the state ESCO chamber where the then my immediate past governor discussed with the ANDONI leaders on the way forward on that your road. In that meeting, the contractor was asked several questions. It got to a stage where we even offered him what will it take. It was a blank check. I was the accountant general of the state then, so I was privy to that meeting. And he said he needed a certain amount of money to complete the project. The money for the project were all paid, apart from the balance they had, let me say, retention, which is about $1 billion. But it's really unfortunate that there was no progress in that work. The road was not progressing. There was always story here and there, tractor again. He's not showing any serious sign that he wants to do the job. We're left with only one option: to cancel that project, which you're also aware. I came there myself and I said that project is cancelled and that we're going to re-award it to a more serious contractor. So here today is to let you know that that project has been re-awarded to MCC. It pains us as a government because a project that has been paid 90%, we are now trying to, not even trying, re-award the project for completion, and we're spending that money again. We're not going back with that project. We must complete that project. We are not just saying we want to complete it. We have already paid 30%. I want the chiefs, I want the youth, everybody that is concerned to be part of this project. I do not want sabotage. The truth about it, I know a few people are not happy. They don't want that road to be completed. Maybe they have a reason for it. But I don't even understand why would anybody have such a reason not to complete, not to bring progress to your people. Please, the big elephant, I believe we have removed it from the room. So nothing can stop that project not to be completed. So I'm asking you here to give us that support so that the contractor will deliver within the next 12 months. I want that project to be completed before my 1 year in office.